Telegram allows group administrators to hide the member list, so regular members may only see the administrators instead of everyone in the group. Start by opening Telegram and select the group you want to manage from your chat list. Once the group is open, look at the top of the conversation and click on the group name. This will open the group information panel. Here, you'll see information about the group, including its name, profile picture, description, and other details. Look for the section that shows the members and click on it. If the member list is available, Telegram will display the members of the group. You can scroll through the list to see the different people who are currently part of the group. Now, if you only see administrators and not the regular members, the group may have the Hide Members feature enabled. Keep in mind that Telegram's member visibility is controlled by group settings and privacy features. So if you're a regular member and the administrator has intentionally hidden the member list, you won't be able to turn it back on yourself. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.